Hey team, how you doing? It is a sunny Sunday afternoon in Lower Hutt, and forgive the background noise. I've got the old dryer going because nothing dries in winter. The Beta RR430 is sitting over here, having been cleaned and prepared, ready to go for another round. But it is time to do a little bit of maintenance on it. I haven't shown you yet how I do it, but air filter, it's got to be done pretty much every ride. So we've got over here IPONE. I've got some air filter cleaner, some aerosol air filter oil, and a chain care kit. And I'm going to take you through it and how I do it. First up, we need to get the air filter out of the Mighty Beta.
We start by taking the side panel off the bike and unclipping the foam air filter. It's quite grubby, it needs to be cleaned and the old oil taken out of it.
One air filter.
We remove the foam air filter from the plastic frame, and using a large baking tray or roasting dish, we pour a bit of the IPONE air filter cleaner over it, and then simply massage the filter through, removing as much dirt, grime and old air filter oil as possible. It's okay to reuse this air filter cleaner, so using a funnel, just pour what's left of it back into the bottle.
And if you look in here, you can see all the grit. It's basically like gold panning. Look at all that. That was in the air filter. That's why it's important to clean your air filter regularly. Alright, now we need to put this in the sun for a little bit. Let it dry out. And then we will re-oil it with some air filter oil. Thanks, IPONE.
Given the makeup of the IPONE air filter cleaner, it should all evaporate pretty quickly.
While that's happening, let's have a look at the off-road chain care kit from IPONE. See what's included in the kit. We have some chain cleaner, some extreme chain lubricant, and a fancy chain scrubby brush.
This job can get quite messy, so it's important to put something down to catch anything that drips off, oil, crap from the chain, all of that sort of stuff. Cover the chain in the chain cleaning solution, and then use your scrubbing brush to loosen any of the built up crap. This job is made way easier if you can get the rear tyre off the ground. Then using an old rag, dry off the chain. While I've got the bike on the stand, I'm going to adjust the chain slack. And then re-lubricate your chain with the chain oil. Right, the air filter's all dried off now, and it's time to apply a liberal coating of air filter oil. I'm using the same roasting dish, which I've cleaned up so there's no grit or grime in the dish, and just pour the oil straight over the filter. I tend to always pour out more than I need. Then it's a matter of massaging the oil through the filter, squeezing out any excess into the tray. And as long as your tray is clean, you can pour the excess back into the air filter oil container. This is a messy job, and if you don't like getting your hands dirty, it's a good idea to wear gloves. I'm squeezing out as much excess as I can to make the air flow well through the filter while the oil still catches all the grit and grime. Then simply reinstall your air filter, pop the side panel back on, and we're done. While I've got everything out though, I'm going to take this opportunity to use the IPONE air filter cleaner and oil and clean and oil the air filter for the Tenere 700. Same process, take the filter out, pour the air filter cleaner over the filter, massage it, get all the grime and grit out of the filter, let it dry, clean the pan, and then pour more air filter oil over the filter, then massage it in. I really like these products from IPONE. They do a great job on the air filter and of course the chain. Chain and air filter care should be a high priority when you have a bike that you take into the bush, whether that be a dirt bike, an enduro, a motocross bike, or even an adventure bike. Everything I've used here today is available from your local motorcycle parts dealer, or you can check out motogear.co.nz.